Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see right here on my screen, Monie. As you can see, Monie is a simple, elegant and secure way to earn cool cash online with your smartphone. Get started with a registration fee of 1,000 naira and 2,000 naira. So right here you can see this is a newly launched website that's gonna make you money. So if I scroll down all the way here, you can see that they have two packages right here. So you can see how the Money look like inside when you sign up. So if I just scroll down all the way here, you can see that they have two packages right here. You can register with 1,000 naira. It's just a one-time payment. Once you register with 1,000 naira, you're gonna be earning 100 naira daily for just logging in. Just as you're logging on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. If you log in on Money, you're gonna be earning 100 naira. If you refer somebody, you're gonna be earning 500 naira. If you share post or view sponsor post, you're gonna be earning 100 naira. And after registration, you're gonna be you will receive a 500 naira as a welcome bonus. And this means that every day, if you register with 1,000 naira, every day you'll be earning 200 naira on token money. So together with your welcome bonus, when you refer somebody, you're gonna be earning 500. If you come down right, you can see this one right here. If you register with 200 naira, if you register with 2,000 naira every day, you're gonna be, if you log in every day, you're gonna be earning 100 naira. Referral bonus 1,000 naira. If you share post, you're gonna be earning 200 naira. So, and welcome bonus is 1,000 naira. That is, if you register, you're gonna be earning 1,000 naira. And this means that every day, if you register with 2,000 naira, every day you'll be earning 300 naira on token money. So if I just come right here and click on this get started right here, if you click the link in the description, it actually bring you right here. Once you are here, just go ahead and put your first name, full name, put your username, and put your email address right here, put your password, and as you can see right here, referral username to appear. Once you use the link in the description, referral username will appear. So right here, just if you click on this account packages, just select any of the package that you would like to register with. It's just a one-time registration. So, and this coupon code, you need to understand that this coupon code is the one-time registration. Before you register, before you fill all this and sign up, you have to purchase a coupon code, and that coupon code is either you purchase 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira. So once you purchase coupon code, you're gonna paste the code right here. After that, put your password and click on this sign up. But for the coupon code, if you are interested in this website or this platform, just DM me on WhatsApp. The link to my WhatsApp will be in the description. So for coupon code or registration, so if you purchase the coupon code with 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira, if you paste the coupon code right here and then put your password, come right here and click on sign up, you'll be able to log into your account. So after a successful sign up, it will actually bring you right there. As you can see right here on my screen, this is what your dashboard will look like, but your activity earning will be 1,000 naira. And then once you, because this 400 naira, I earned 300 yesterday, and today login bonus I earn 100 naira. So to share post, let me just go ahead and share post right here. Just click on this ace post. Once you click on this ace post, to actually bring you right here, as you can see right here, just go ahead and share post. As you can see right here, once you share post, you come right here and click on this click to earn. Once I click on this click to earn, you can see, okay, I need to share post right here. Once I click on this share post, I will actually share this post. Once I share this post, I'll be created 200 naira. So once you're on my account right now, I'm gonna be able to share the post, but let me just pause this video right here and share post. So back here, I will just come and right and click on this click to earn. But I click on this click to I will go ahead and click on this proceed right here. that have been credited 200. You can see success, multiple earnings successfully added. If I click on this form right here, you can see that my money have been added right here. You can see right here 1,600 naira right here. So this website is massively paying right here. So if you are interested in this website, all you need to do is just DM me on WhatsApp for coupon code. The coupon code is either 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira. You get access to this website. So it's just one time registration. You don't need to pay another money. Once you purchase the coupon code, you don't need to pay another money. It's just for you to start earning every day. So also make your own research, because I'm not the owner of this website. So if you're having double mind, also make your own research. If I actually give you a value in this video, all I want you to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification, so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So basically what I do in this channel is that I make videos how to make money online. What I do is that I try this online. If I find out something working for me, I record video by showing you guys so they can do the same thing. I get access on. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. Thank you for watching.